case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing 1992 legal case known as Todd v. State, a pivotal issue in Florida's concept of manslaughter law was put into the spotlight: the necessity of a direct causal link between an unlawful act and the death it supposedly caused. The Florida District Court of Appeal was set to crack this complex legal conundrum, with the defendant's fate hanging in the balance. The roots of the controversial lawsuit traced back to a seemingly innocuous event that occurred on March 18, 1990. During a service in the Lighthouse Church, the defendant grabbed $110 from the collective plate and promptly made his exit. Richard Vogelton, a parishioner with a pre-existing heart condition, was an unfortunate eyewitness of this act and took it upon himself to chase the thief. Tragically, under the stress of the pursuit, Vogelton suffered from cardiac dysrhythmia, resulting in a low-speed collision with a tree and subsequently his untimely death. Initially, Florida State charged the defendant with manslaughter, a decision rooted in their belief that the defendant's theft had directly led to Vogelton's fatal pursuit. Arguing his defense, the defendant countered that he had not been aware of Vogelton's fragile health, and therefore it was unreasonable to conclude that the ensuing chase was the unequivocal cause of his death. The initial ruling was not in favor of the defendant, as the trial court chose to rebuff his motion to dismiss the case. However, in a turn of events, this decision faced a reverse on appeal. The Florida District Court of Appeal argued that the defendant's petty theft failed to cross the bar for the stringent causation requirement integral to Florida's manslaughter conviction. In other words, the court concluded the defendant's actions were not directly and undeniably responsible for Vogelton's tragic end. Therefore, the court ultimately determined the defendant could not be held legally accountable for manslaughter.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.